Today we're going to talk about volcanoes. So, what is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain that has been formed by molten rock or lava that has bubbled up through the Earth's crust. Now, this isn't just any mountain. There is something inside this mountain that is called a vent. This is what the magma comes out of during an eruption. So, what causes an eruption? Well, deep below the vent, within the Earth's crust, pressure builds up until it creates a pocket big enough that explodes, causing a volcanic eruption. This means that ash, lava, gases, rocks, and other things come shooting up out of the vent and out of the volcano. Volcanic eruptions can also cause other things like floods, lava flows, hot ash flows, mudslides, avalanches, and falling ash. So here's a question for you. Do volcanoes only cause bad things? The real answer is no. Volcanoes are also responsible for forming things like the ocean floor and countless mountains that we know today. Without volcanic hotspots, islands like Hawaii wouldn't exist. So here's another question for you. Do all volcanoes look the same? Once again, the answer is no. There are three types of volcanoes: the composite volcano, cinder cone volcano, and shield volcano. First, let's look at the composite volcano. Now, a composite volcano, as you might guess from the name, is made up of a composition or multiple eruptions. If you look at the side view, you can see the different vents that are jutting out to the sides that have helped form this volcano. One of the more famous composite volcanoes is the Fuji volcano. Next, let's look at the cinder cone volcano. Cinder cones are what most people think of when they picture a volcano. This is because it is more cone-shaped and symmetrical. This happens because this type of volcano, the lava typically shoots straight up into the air and then falls straight back down, then hardening into the rock that forms the volcano. This creates a more symmetrical cone shape. One of the most famous cinder cone volcanoes is Wizard Island in Oregon. The last volcano we're going to talk about is the shield volcano. Shield volcanoes are a lot wider than the other two volcanoes. They have a more broad shape, and their sides tend to slope down more gently. They look more like a giant hill. One of the more well-known shield volcanoes is the Mauna Kea in Hawaii. That's all I have on volcanoes today, but before we go, let's go through some of the vocabulary we use today. Volcano, a mountain or a hill with a vent that lava can come through. Volcanic material, rocks, lava, or gas. Lava is just magma that has made it to the surface. A volcanic vent is an opening in the Earth's crust where volcanic material can come out. Eruption, a sudden, violent release of steam and volcanic material. That's really all I have on volcanoes, so I hope you learned a little something. Thanks, and see me again.